Hi, morning. So today we have this young guy who is at 5 months from his hair restoration with us at Musk Clinic. Yes, in his case, we had restored the entire hairline with a good density. Yeah, going all the way till the mid-scalp and covering up these recessions on both the sides. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how was the entire process and how is the journey till 6 months? And do you see a very evident transformation already happening?
Yes, of course, I can see the entire change has happened. It has grown like drastically day by day, and I was eagerly waiting for the procedure has to complete for the next 6 months.
Correct.
The most importantly, I was taking care of it properly, like not going out so much and using it with proper water and eating the tablets on time. So it is all about like I cared it properly after the surgery procedure, and now I can see the entire change.
What change has it made in your life? You know, apart from the looks, do your friends or your family this?
Apart from the looks, I can see it gave me a completely self-confidence, I can say. Like wherever you go, suppose you're going for an interview or meeting someone stranger or meeting someone any specified meetings, it gives me a different kind of feeling and inner confidence that yes, of course we can face it up.
He comes from a sales background, if I'm correct, right? Where you have to be socially presentable, and it makes a big impact on your sales performance if you are confident. Yes,
and most importantly, like at this age, I was looking more like an oldie person. So my age and my look has now it's in certain stage. So I can say this a great change of myself.
And you know, you're the people who see you on an everyday basis. Can they see a very evident change?
They have asked me many times, what have you done with your hair? And it was nothingly. It was before. It was completely nothing, and you completely looking a different kind of person. So I just told them that yes, I.
And does it look natural to you and your friends and your family?
Yes.
Can anyone make out that you got a transplant?
They couldn't like identify that I went through a transplanting procedure, and even I asked them in front of them that can you please identify? They said no. They said completely no, because then I have to tell them that yes, of course I will go on for it.
Right. And did you have any pain, any side effects of the procedure?
No, completely no pain, no side effects, nothing.
Everything went smooth.
Everything went very smooth.
Yes.
Yes.
What is that one thing that you want to tell people who are skeptical of undergoing such procedures, thinking that there might be some side effects, it might cause some problems, but it might not turn out well? What would you like to tell them? I
just want to tell them that just to follow the system and just follow the guidelines. Nothing will happen. The result will come in. Just you have to be very patient with the procedure, and for the next 6 months or 3 to 4 months of time, it depends how well your hair can capture the growth. And obviously you have to keep the patience to see the result, to see the final result.
Right.
That's it. And no need to hurry for like there will be any kind of pain or there will be any kind of side effect, which I was thinking before the procedure, and now I'm not thinking. I'm going well without helmet, without cap, and I'm roaming everywhere.
And how's been your journey with us at Musk Clinic?
Yeah, very good. And also I'm covering up with all the PRP sessions time to time. I've gone through the 2 PRP sessions and 6 PRP sessions.
He's been really committed to his existing hair, to retaining his existing hair. And I think, I tell this to all my patients, if you are committed to retaining your existing hair and the new hair coming in together, it's going to be a total transformation. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yeah, thank you. And
thank you,
I
sir.
hope you're happy. He's already 6 months into it, and next 6 more months is going to be a total change.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct? Yeah, take care.
Thank you, sir.
See you. Bye.